Hey, this is Dave. I'm here with a very cool commercial electric 6-inch slim LED color changing glare control recessed light. And you're looking at the top of it right here. And you got double tall sheetrock clips. Let me tell you a little bit about this light, and then we'll go look at it a bit more, right? So here are the specs. There's no housing required. It's really bright. And the color changing is, you can go warm white, soft, neutral, bright, or daylight. I'll show you that in a minute. And then integrated LED. Let's see, maintenance free, 840 lumens. And then here's a couple things you want to see. That's not it. 10 to 100% dimming range. That's a big deal. Comes with the junction box, a pigtail, the color switcher, which is right here. So let me see if you can, how can we do this where you can actually see it on camera? Let me set that right. Oh, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. What could possibly go wrong here? So then you just switch the thumb. So that's, what is that? Is that 5,000? Yeah, here. Let me turn it around. So this is ode to a tripod right here. So 5,000 is, whoop, there we go. The printed thing is a little bit off. So there's 5,000. You can see that blue color. It's super daylight. And then all the way down to, what is that, 2,700 Kelvin. So this is your regular incandescent light bulb color. So the old Edison light with a filament in it is that 2,700. And then this is my office. I would probably run it at 4,000 or 5,000. So 5,000 is a little blue for me. I could see doing 4,000. That would be great. Now, cool stuff about this. Somewhere in here it says is insulation, here we go. Airtight, insulation rated, right? Direct contact with insulation. And I think this is actually water rated as well, but wish I could tell you. Maybe you're seeing it. Anyways, 840 lumens, super bright. This is the side I wanted to show you. Yeah, there it is. Damp rated, dimmable, IC rated, 6-inch, super rad, beautiful color. Now, let me show you a couple things about the light. Number one, when we had, people were asking if you can just run it direct. This is on a different set of lights, these controllable lights, but I just have this one set up. I took a computer cord, I cut it off. This is not recommended. And I put it into the included push connects like Wagos, right? It comes with a work box or a junction box with a lockdown door. I wish it would come with a cable lock. So punch that out, put your cables. You'd put, in this case, my black cable in. And so all the connections would be in here with a cable lock there. But I did this because people want to know about internet controlled lights and whether they work without a switch. And the answer was yes. So, and then it has a white pigtail. So you're going to wire this into your lights. You're obviously going to use a switch like I have on my door. You'd put it up there in your ceiling. So that would get screwed into the wall. You can see 2 screw holes, zing, zing. That meets code. And then plug in your connectors, super duper easy. Tie your pigtail on, select your color, and I want it at 4,000, which you can see right here is the bright white, and then you're gonna have your light. Let me unplug it and show you the light without the brightness on. So here is the actual light. See how cool that is? It's got a nice foam seal here. So you can see that, there you go, foam seal. And here, let's stand this up. I'm trying to be really cool, you guys. It's not working. But look at this dome. I wish you could see this. And then check out the LEDs in there. Can you see? There we go. It's a ring of LEDs on this light. Now that's cool because it's not direct. It is so pretty. So overhead, right? It would be, let me do it without the fan. It'd be like that. And it'd be up there and it would just be indirect light to reduce glare. This is a glare control light. So let me, here, hold on. Let me plug this in one more time. And, I mean, yeah, wicked bright, right? But like, I don't know if you can tell. Not a very clean screen. Anyways, it's those LEDs are shining up into the bowl. You can kind of see a little bit of light right there. That's weird. Anyways, LEDs are shining directly up into the bowl, and then the bowl is reflecting the light down. And I'm saying that is just beautiful. It is really a lovely light. So let me change your color. We'll just go all the way down to Edison's lights. Oh, it's so nice. So if you look at it sideways, watch out, it'll hurt your eyes. There's the LEDs. Shine straight up on the bowl, reflecting down. So this is the same, you know how like when you're lighting a room, you'll put your light directly up if you need extra light, so it just kind of disperses it over the ceiling. Well, that's the same effect, but in a light. This is so cool, you guys. This is really, really a fantastic little light. So it's so bright. I love it. This is just awesome. So Commercial Electric, the model number is 1004658-320. It is a 6-inch slim LED glare control recessed lighting kit. That's it right there. Light, pigtail, switch, work box, or the junction box. Quick connects are already there. The only thing it doesn't have is a pair of screws to mount into the ceiling and the cable lock. So punch that out with your screwdriver and then put your cable lock in and you're good to go. Let's see if I'm missing anything. I'm not missing anything. The only thing that matters here is this damp rated insulation contact and airtight. Though, I don't know about this airtight. You know, we saw a little bit of light, but I wouldn't be worried about that. I'm actually not worried about that at all, so it'd be better than an old can housing, that's for sure. Yeah, big fan. All right, thanks. Hey, thanks for joining us. There's another video I put out about these little wafer lights. There's a 6-inch and a 4-inch. They are right here. So here's your 6-inch. And it differs with the control box in that there's a QR code that you can scan. And then here is a 4-inch. This is a really nice size comparison. Oh, looks like I'm having a yard sale. So 4, 6, and 6, right? So this is the light that I use throughout my house, the size, the 6-inch. So, oh, that's another thing. Let me show you what this does come with. This is handy, so you can set your hole saw, or you can just use your jagged, your sheetrock saw. So there's the box all closed up. There's instructions, but it comes with your hole size template. So if you are, I use that. So anyways, if you're new or not, there you go, 6.3-inch hole. Just double side tape that to your ceiling and knock yourself out. A punch saw works out fine. You don't need a fancy hole saw. In fact, you'll probably do better if you just trace this line, tape it on your ceiling, trace it, and then just use your sheetrock saw. It's just a hand tool, easy, super easy thing. But put glasses on so you don't get all that dust in your eyes. All right, thanks for joining us. Check out my other video about the LED tunable recessed light that is color changing, like rainbow colors. But if you want to make your office look nice and pretty dang elegant, completely different. This is everywhere, right? Like we see that all the time. This is really special. So, all right, thanks. I'm done.